Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So this is an OTC market, and now after this candle we can easily go with the buyers. Okay, so I took my trade here by not seeing the past. Why? So let me show you here the concept. Now you can see from this point we are seeing a strong bearish momentum. So in this situation we can expect a buyer's movement up to this level. So therefore I took my trade, and let's see what happens. I will take continue trades with this pair. Okay, so now let's see what happens. Okay, so now I will do compound trading. Now you can see the buyers are very much strong, and they made a new high, and it is a strong buyer's entry, so there is no need to check the past, and now you can easily take your trades in an up direction. Let me show you, and we can read this candle like this: a rejection from the buyers, a very strong body, and I am seeing a momentum on the left side, so there is no level. So because of this the market will go up. Okay, so now you can see. Okay, so I'm only focusing these two lines, okay, so this area is my targeted area. So now you can see buyers are getting weaker here, they are showing their weakness. Therefore this candle was a strong candle, and now there are presence of sellers as much as the presence of buyers. So therefore this area is a much confusion area. So I will take my trade after this candlestick, the running candlestick. So now you can see, as I told you, that this is the confusion, this is the fear of the sellers. Because of this thing they made this candlestick. Now you can see market is going down. As I told you, this is the weakness of the buyers. Why? Because buyers were strong, now they are weak. So therefore now you can see an engulfing candlestick. Now I can, okay, after this, okay, now I can go with the sellers. So I have taken my trade in a down direction. Why? Because in the beginning of this trade you need to notice that I got 2 times rejection here, which shows the presence of the sellers. So therefore I took my trade in a down direction. And if you see here, the overall trend is a downtrend, and now this is an engulfing candlestick. So therefore I took my trade in a down direction, and it made a new low. So let's see what happens with this candlestick. Okay, we can get an ATM also here, so no issues. Okay, now I can go here with the buyers. Okay, again a late entry, but the candle will close as a bullish for sure. This candle will definitely close as a bullish. Why? Because one candle cannot stop this movement, this one candle. So I was wrong here, it happens sometimes, so no issues. So now you can see market has to go up, and it will close as a bullish. After this candlestick, again I am going to take my trade with $100. because this is the round number and still there is a gap to the round number. Now you can see candle is breaking the round number strongly. This is the round number. Now I can go here with the buyers. Now if you want to read this candle, this was a weak buyer's entry. Now this is a much stronger buyer's entry, and you can see there is no upper rejection, there is no lower rejection, there is no seller's entry, there is no seller's rejection. So it means that this candle is a very strong candle, so the next movement will definitely go up. First it will give us a weak candle, then it will, or it can reverse the market. So now you can see market is going up from this point. Now you can see market is getting the rejection, so it will definitely go up. I am not seeing a single opportunity for this candle to close as a bearish. Okay, now you can see again a weak buyer, so this is the okay, so this is showing the presence of the sellers. Okay, let me show you again here. So now this candle is showing the presence of the sellers, so buyers are not confident here, so therefore we got an ATM. Now you will see sellers will enter into the market. Always remember, when you see the momentum only ends where you see a weak candles, so after that you can expect a seller's entry. Now again buyers are making a new high and this candle will go up. Okay, so now you can see it made a new high, and if this candle goes up a bit, so I can easily take my trade in an up direction. Now okay, so I took my trade in an up direction, so let's see what happens here. The market has to go up, so here you are seeing that the market is going up because still I am seeing a strong candle after doji, so it means that buyers will go up from this point, so it will get a rejection and it will go up again, because you can see buyers are pushing the market in upside, so no issues. It will get a rejection, it will go up and it will close above our entry point. Okay, so now you can see here I lost my trade. Why? Because this was the point where I lost my trade, and now I will definitely win again my trade. Why? Because you can see candle closed exactly here near to the buyer's area, so therefore the market movement is like this. Now it will go up from this point. So now here the market situation is like ranging market in this area. So when I took my trade, I realized that this was a wrong trade, because this was not a buyer's continuation sign, so therefore I lost my trade. Now you can see I won my trade here. Okay, so now after this candlestick, if I analyze the market, okay, let me check the level. I can easily go here with the buyers confidently, and let me show you my next level. My next level is here. So now you can see still I am seeing a gap in this area, and I told you that how can we follow this position. So this will be my last trade. If you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. So stay blessed you all, and after this candlestick I will close my trading session. So take care you all, stay blessed, bye for now.